Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit green screen in Kinemaster application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Kinemaster, and first of all, I'm going to add the green screen video. I'm just going to go to the Kinemaster library, and I'm going to access green screen from there. Okay, I'm going to go to the video assets, and I'm going to choose this green screen. Okay, and now the green screen has been added to my video, and I'm going to zoom in like this to fit the screen. And wait guys, I'm going to move it here, and I'm going to cut the video to make the process faster. Right, and to remove the green screen, we can click on the video we want to remove the green screen from, and then I'm going to go to the Chroma feature or Chroma key feature, this one, and you're going to enable the Chroma key. Okay, and make sure you choose the green color to remove the green screen. And then here you can adjust the opacity, I guess. All right, and as you can see guys, that the green screen has been removed from this video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove green screen in Kinemaster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.